Tired of your Gmail inbox being cluttered with forum notifications you never read? Learn how to disable the Forums tab in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click in Gmail settings to remove the Forums tab. Just follow these simple steps. First, head over to the Gmail homepage. Now, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Then, select See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Once you're in Settings, click on the Inbox tab at the top bar. Scroll down to the Categories section. Then, click on the checkbox next to Forums to uncheck it. Click Save Changes at the bottom to apply. That's it. You've disabled the Forums tab. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.